Okay. So we're going to balance you here. And we're going to make sure Linda stays there. Okay, I think this works. There's a banana in the corner of the screen, but that's okay. Alright, I'm going to open up this box. We're live, right? Yeah, okay. Let's open the box with something, because I can't open it up with my fingers. Alright, let's see what we got in here this month. Alright. Little paper pumpkin thing. They always give a little thank you, doodad. Open you up. Ooh. Okay. So the stamps say happy thoughts for you. It's your day, and some oops. Yeah, turn it that way. Some other cool stuff. So got that. And it came with a little stamping block. Tip Top Taupe. I think that is. Or stamp pad, not stamping block. I have all the blocks. And then this is the stuff. Happy Thoughts instructions. Oh, that's really cute. These look like they're going to be really cute. And some, oh, I think these are wood laminate triangles and stuff. I need to find this type of stuff because I have some earrings that I want to make, some feather earrings that I want to make that I saw on Creative Bug. Anybody knows where I can find like this wood, I guess wood laminate or something like that? I don't know. Can you tell me? Because I have no clue. And I've looked in lots of places and I can't find it at a hardware store or any of that. So, let's open this. Okay, this is gonna work. Okay. I'm gonna end up accidentally ripping these things. Okay. I'm going to need a stamp block, aren't I? Okay. So we're gonna go get my stamp block. Where are my stamp blocks? I think they're in here. I think. What size stamp block do I want to use? Stamp block, stamp block, stamp block. Oh, I have some over here. These look like that'll fit. I'll take these. Maybe this one. Maybe this one. Oh, this one has something on it. What does it have on there? Oh, notes. I must have been using this for something. Shocking. Okay, back to... yeah. Alright. Ooh, I just blocked you. Let's see. How's that look? Put you over here. Alright. Maybe if I push you back a little bit. Oh, you can see more. Yes, I have bananas holding up my screen. It's great. I'm fantastic. And I do fantastic things. Okay. Boop! I also got back from work. Because I like to craft after I work out. Okay. So, it comes with the instructions, which are always really easy to do. Let's see. Step 1. New to stamping, flip to back for tips. Not new to stamping. Okay. Place stickers on white piece as shown. White piece. Alright, so you have some of these, some of these, some of these. It's like the 3 little bears. Small, medium, large. Okay. And these are envelopes. There's envelopes you won't need until later. Okay. Yeah. Short side, long side. What? Where are those? Short side, long side. What? Ah. Have these. Okay. Comes with all this stuff. and these things, and that thing. What white piece? What are you talking to me about? Huh? Stickers on white piece as shown. Which white piece? What is this white piece? I'm confused. I don't know. Oh, maybe it's this one? Oh, is this the card? This is the card. This is the card. Oh, there's different sizes? No? No? I think this goes here. Okay. No? No. Alright. Okay. White piece. I'm guessing this is the white piece. I'm so confused. I'm still confused. Use the stamp paper for the instructions. I'm still so freaking confused. It's your day. Oh, wait. What? It goes with this stuff. Is this one that we're doing first? Yes. Am I missing stuff? Or did I just not take everything out? Because that's not the shape of the things that I need. What is this? Oh my gosh, I am so confused. Paper pumpkin, I'm confused. I just said that this was easy to do, and I think I lied. Here, sorry. Is this the white piece? But it says it's a small square. Oh, found it. They were hiding. Okay, so I have to place stickers on a white piece as shown. I can normally create a lot of cards and do all sorts of things on my own, but I like doing this because it gives me ideas. Except the instructions are in black and white. I kind of want them in color, but I understand probably why they do them in black and white. Okay, so place stickers. Okay. We got some. We'll do that here. And then some squiggly fluff over here. Ah. I like that these have stickers. I like using the little sticky dots, but I do enjoy a simple sticker because that helps. Okay, and then some flower ones here. And then this one goes here. Oh, I'm so good at this. So good at putting stickers on things. Okay. And then I think it's this one. Goes here. At the top. At the top. Oh, oh. Okay. And then it says stamp card base and white piece adhere to flower card with dimensions. Okay. Oh, wait, what? Flower card? I have to stamp the flower card. You didn't tell me to do that. Did you? No. Step 1. Okay, step 2, stamp card base and white piece adhere to flower card with dimensions. Okay, so I need to stamp this sucker with all over with flowers. With this flower. I love stamp clings. I really do. I don't like trying to get these off though. Oh, okay. Alright. Okay. Okay, alright. And I get things all over myself as per usual. Okay. Ooh, this one has a lot. My past couple paper pumpkins have not had ink pads that have had. They've been very dry ink pads, because I just said this one's not really dry. Okay, so then I'm just supposed to stamp this sucker everywhere. All over the place. And make some sort of cool pattern. Which, okay. already laid there, so we're just going to do that. And I'm going to have one up here. Oh, I should get my mat so that I don't stamp on stuff, because I want to do some off of the side. Where did my thing go? Okay. Crafting, it's always messy. And do some on the side. Ooh. And you throw it all over the place. And then you do more like this. And I'm going to go like that. And I stamp all over everything. And I'm going to go here. And I'm going to go here. And I'm going to go here. And apparently I dropped it over here, so I'm just going to go over there. I don't even know if you can hear me on Periscope. I hope you can. Or at least you can see what I'm doing. I think that looks good enough. Maybe I'll do another one here and one down there. Okay. Okay. That's done. This is done. Okay. Okay. And then, where did I put? Dog it. Oh, it's right here. And then I need to. Most people clean off their stamp. I am going to later. And then I need to stamp. What am I supposed to be stamping on here? Something. It's your day. Whoops. It's your day. Getting stamped. Boop, 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 boop. It's your day. It's your day. Don't stamp it upside down. That'd be bad. Oh. Maybe this ink pad's kind of runny, too. Because I don't like how that turned out. It's kind of runny. Runny. I don't know if you can see that. It's runny. I don't like that. It's gonna go on top of this. La, 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 la. Okay. So you have that. And then it says, step 3. Adhere white circle and leaves to back of flower. Stick 20 inches of loop twine to back of flower. What? Where's all that twine and stuff? There it is. Okay. So there's a flower. Oh, you said flower. And all this stuff. I'm supposed to be doing something. Okay. So this. Oh, you take out the center and you put this sucker behind it. Haha. I see. And then you take these. Is that what you're supposed to do? And you take them, stick them on here. Which, okay, that's weird. But I'll roll with it. I'm just gonna roll with it. These little doodads. Okay, get stuff all on here. I have a lot more on this picture. I don't know if you need that many. You probably do. It's probably safe to say that you do, so that things stay. Okay. So that things stay, maybe? I don't know. Oh no, I just messed it up. Oh. Bugger. Okay. And, oh, because leaves are supposed to stick to it too. Here, over here. I'll do it over here. That sounds like a good plan. And I guess you take off these things. And then you have the leaves, which stick like that. And like that. And you take more of these things off. These little circles are hard to do. I don't like them. And then it shows some squares. Where are the squares? Oh, here. Little hexagon doodads. I am hot. Okay. And, okay, so this is going to be going like this. So we have them here. Some hexagon squares there. And then a hexagon square there. Ooh. And then it says you take 20 inches of looped twine to the back of the flower. What? This seems crazy. Is it already cut? No. That's about 20 inches. Where'd my scissors go? Cut it over. 20 inches. 16. That's 16. That's 20. 20. And then you just kind of loop it or something. What? Seems all crazy. So crazy. Looped twine. Alright. And you're putting it back here. So I guess use the little top sides of the sticky things. That's why you have to put so many on. Now I got it. I want this one to go over here. I guess you can manipulate it however you really want it to go. I'm going to have it go through here. Have you up here and that down there. Because I like it better down there. Alright. So then you just have it like a mess. It's like your hair when you haven't brushed it. And then you stick it on here. In some fashion. Like that. And I guess you can adjust the strings a little bit. You want more to loop out. Whatever. It's just supposed to be something messy, I think. I think, you know. And then place flower on card with dimensionals, add button with adhesive dots. Oh, this cute little jewelry button. Which way do I add the button though? Is it raised at the top? I don't know. Is it this way? Or this way? I think it's supposed to be this way. I think it's supposed to be upside down. Like that. And put adhesive dots on there. That's what it looks like. It looks like it's upside down. I have no idea. It doesn't really show on the instructions exactly how to adhesive dot this thing, but that's what we're going to do. Oh, I think that works. And that's so cute. How do you like it? Okay. And then, I guess, you just adhere it to, is it adhered this way? I kind of like it this way. So just adhere it to the card. Place flower on card with dimensionals, add button with adhesive dot. So how am I adhering this to the card though? That's what I want to know. It doesn't say. Is it with this thing? You get 4 of these, so I think it's with this. If not, oh well. Life ain't over. You can do things all sorts of ways. It don't matter. Stupid glue dots. Come on. Okay. And stick you here. Oh, it's so cute. I like it. Yay! That's one card of the paper pumpkin box. And then it goes with the envelope. Me likey. Okay. The next one is this thing, where we use this thing, and you do some more sticker work. I'm gonna put you all over here. So you take these, and I think these. Stickers, lots of stickers, and it's like this. Is that easy? But I feel like these are not okay. I'm just gonna, and I guess you just line it up exactly with the lines. That's what it looks like. And I think how am I supposed to add these on? Oh, I think I need to use glue dots because these wood panels don't work. Okay. So then you just go back and forth and add things. Yeah. And these wood panels, I assume I have to use these glue dots. It's probably why they gave me so many of these damn glue dots. Okay. I wonder how people did this type of stuff in the old days. Okay. Oh, I see. Alright. And is there a solid one? What? Sometimes I need the color, because that's going to tell me a lot more about things. Where is that? This green. I don't see this green on here. Where is that one? You're kidding, right? Where's green? Am I blind? I might be. Am I missing something? Because there's the green with the star, but I don't see. Oh. See, that's all messed up. It's supposed to be here. Oh, you're supposed to leave spaces. Oh, gosh. Dude. Not very big spaces. You're supposed to leave some. I can't tell in the black and white. Paper pumpkin, I can't tell. In this black and white world you have me living in on the thing. Where's this green? I don't get it. Oh well, I'm not worried about it in all actuality. I will do what I want and create my own design. Because it doesn't really matter at all what you do, because it's your design. So just have at it and have fun, and that is all that matters. And I need more of these. What am I on? Okay, this one to go this way. Oh, bugger. Okay. Okay, got it. Okay. Stupid thing. Okay. I already did that one. Oh, that's because I messed stuff up. What one do I want to do next? Oh, I guess I can do one of these. I'll do one of these. Okay. That looks cool. Ow. This, oh, I already pulled one off. Whoops. This little glue dot business is not for someone who doesn't have patience. Wow. Dedication. Dedication. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Alright. I just did one of those. Oh, I can do one of these again. Oh. I'm not as accurate as I want to be with this, I've realized. Okay. And then one of these. And I already did that. I did that one already. I'm just gonna do one of the stars, because I really don't know where is that supposed to be. Oh, and inside, I just realized that. Inside of this envelope, you're supposed to stick this thing, right? No, this way. Oh, that's cool. I like that. I do. I like it. That's fun. That's really fun. Okay, I got distracted. And I'm supposed to use one of these to go up here. Alright. And I need one more thing over here. I don't know what I want to use. What do I want to use? I need one of these, because I can. Oh, I got stamped glue on this one. That's alright. And then it's supposed to be on this thing. This one. Sort of well put together-ish. Okay. That's done. And then you have this thing, which goes here. I see. Alright, so you put on the stickers, And then adhere, banner piece, front card, stamp greeting. I'm assuming I'm going to use more of these dots, because I don't know what else I would use them for. And how else am I supposed to adhere it? They didn't give me glue. So everything's a blue dot, which I like. I would use my ATG anyways, if I didn't have all these blue dots, which I like that already too. And you put this right up the top, center it looks like, or center it as best as you possibly can, and then you take this word, phrase word, happy thoughts for you, is what it says. I never line shit up, and I should. Okay. Oh my gosh, this thing is soaking wet. Like it's dripping ink. This is not good, folks. This is not good. I don't like it. I don't like it. No. Why is it doing that? Sometimes I get really dry stamp pads. This time I got a really inky stamp pad. Alright, really light. Really light. I'm going to try to do it really, really light to see if this makes it not so smudgy and gross. And inky. Oh, gosh. That's awful. That turned out better than the last words. And then you're supposed to take these wooden stars and glue them all over, which is soups cute. Soups cute. The little stars are hard to hold, but they're really cute. They're little weeny ones. And is that another medium size one? Or, I don't know. I can't even tell. I think they're just two small ones. Oh no, that's a super small one. Gurgle. You go here. Little weeny. That is correct. I'm going to put that right on there because it's going to be easier to do. And the starfoot broke. The starfoot broke. But the little foot broke. That's okay. It happens. It's just a wall fella. We still use them. And then you're supposed to take some twine and looks like, where's my twine? Oh, here it is. Tie it up here, which, okay. Take some twine. Pull it through and then tie it. It looks like you're supposed to make it a lot longer than this, but you know, those things are optional. It's kind of cute. Makes my nose itch. And then you stick this paper tie twine. Oh, it's supposed to be another 20 inches? What? No. Slide liners in place and adhere to finish long envelope. Oh, this one is actually an open one. No, the other one came already adhered. Interesting. This one has a thing on it already. This one didn't have all that. Why? It's dumb. I don't like that. I don't like it. That's not fair to the other one. And I did it upside down. So we're just going to do it again. Like that. And then it looks like like this, maybe like that. Yeah. And you go like this, and then you go like that. And then you have another. Oh, so cute. And this one sticks in here, which is super cute. So we have this one and this one with their envelopes and their cards, and they're really cute and I like them. Okay, that's all. We're gonna end, and hopefully that was a good experience. Wow, pretty.